Reinforcement connectors are family-based and fully customizable, and each team member can use them according to their needs. Rebar connectors interact with the rebar that they connect to, facilitating change management. Structural engineers can use schematic connectors to define the requirements. Detailers can use them to produce shop drawings. Manufacturers can go into full detail, precisely modeling and representing reinforcement connectors to create installation instructions. You can add the connectors to groups, assemblies, and partitions with unique coupler numbering, and you can export them to various formats. This feature improves level of details for reinforcement modeling and documentation.